Tired of shoeboxes full of receipts? You can attach digital copies directly to transactions in QuickBooks Online, creating a perfect, searchable audit trail. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. When you are creating or editing an expense, bill, or sales receipt, look for the attachment or paperclip icon. You can drag and drop a file from your computer or take a picture with your phone if you are using the mobile app. The file, PDF, JPG, PNG, is stored securely with that transaction. You can view it anytime by opening the transaction and clicking on the attachment. My crucial pro tip: use the receipt capture feature in the mobile app. Don't even keep paper. When you get a receipt, immediately open the QBO app, tap the plus sign, and select Capture Receipt. It takes a photo, extracts the key data, vendor, amount, date, and creates a draft expense for you to categorize and approve later. It's a game changer. Go paperless and make tax time or audits infinitely easier. Are you team paper receipts or team digital capture? For more efficiency boosting guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.